A lot of times I film everybody else's cool rocket projects and get so excited about those that I never fly my own, but today I'm gonna fly some rockets. Well, it's really cold out here, but Punisher's all set up. Just need to put the motor in it. Double checked the recovery stuff. I was gonna say I kind of want to take this back out and check this connected at the bottom, but it's glued to the motor mount, so it should be. So apparently this is a pretty old motor because it doesn't have the new 3D printed thrust ring, and it came with this press release from 2015 saying that the thrust rings are failing and should use tape. So guess I'm gonna use tape. Probably should have opened it before and looked at that, but you know, whatever.
Number one. Alright, let's go ahead and close the range down. Let's do our first flight. Alright, are you ready, Mark? Flying in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It works. Yay. SMG-7 scratch-built rocket, 3 inches in diameter, 53 something units in length, weighing 5 and some extra pounds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Braden, you good to go?
Yep.
Alright, Pat, let's see here. Let's close the range. Range is closed. Sky is good. Let's see here. Brad Carlson is gonna fly his Dreamsicle. It's a Wildman kit. 3 inches diameter, 4 units in length. Get the orange one on the right. Expected altitude 4,000 feet. Main chute at 1,100 feet. Altimeter deployment. Still deploy, obviously. Flying on a J250. Let's turn on the juice. Pad B2. I have good tones. I am flying this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire. Rocket. Scratch-built rocket, 3-inch diameter, 53 inches in length, weighing 7.5 pounds.
Should be soon. There you go. Nice.
They're flying a J712. Funny, not funny. Alright, arming pad.
This walk's actually refreshing today because it's so cold.
Right. That's twice now having a tracker has stopped us from walking past the rocket too far. Yeah, that pink chute was a good call.
Yeah.
Oh no. My Nomex protector didn't do its job very well.
Oh geez.
That sucks. It's a good thing that chute was like 18 bucks. I think my electrical tape thrust ring's pretty professional looking, if I'm honest. Alright, I got the Excel ready to fly. Got an Aerotech H100 in there. This thing looks goofy.
I know. So dinky.
Dad's flying H195 in the Formula 54. It's almost as much motor as you can get in there. I guess there's that I too, though. The I-205, is that what it is?
Yep.
The I-200.
Rex is going to fly a scratch-built rocket even. Scratch-built rocket for a certification. This is good. Alright, we'll try it anyway. So I'm going to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a wiggly. Alright, we got Madcow rocket, Madcow Patriot on pad D1. This is Brett. A1, I got a good sound flying in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They're flying on an I-195T. And that's the Blue Thunders. This would be a nice flight. Pay attention. And it's motor ejection, main chute at apogee. Arming. Pad, that's not A. B1. Good tones. Sky is clear, the range is clear, flying in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, baby.
Well, Dad's out there looking for his Formula 54. Looks like they found it, actually. I hadn't put the tracker on it because last time he flew it, he didn't have one, but it landed 20 feet from the pad. Hell's frozen over. I'm flying 2 high-power flights in one day.
Closed. Temporarily. 4. Brad Carlson's going to fly his binder design Excel. This is 4 inches in diameter. 4 feet in length. Weighing infinite amount of weight. Let's see, you got an H100. Expected altitude?
2,000 something.
2,000 something. Motor ejection, main parachute at apogee. Let's arm. Pad B1, I have good tones. The sky is clear. The pad is clear. Flying in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh wow, it landed right in the middle of this Yeah, that flight got cut a little short.
No rocks.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's alright.
That's the only thing I see is
No, that was already like
stuck
that.
together. We'd already had the rash.
Yeah, it was just from being out in the garage and stuff.
When it hit the ground, it sounded kind of bad, but I think it was just this going.
Oh yeah, it looks like it thumped in that coupler a little bit, but it's cardboard and that happens. Huh.
It was fun.
Yeah.
I drilled it with the, well, I had the 8 seconds with the washer thing, so yeah, I accidentally, but it still should have been 8 seconds. That went off in like 4. It was still going up.
Yeah. We were watching it, and it was like, pop! I was like, ooh, that's a little early.
148R, R's for rad, right? Red, red. It's an altimeter deployment, dual deploy with a drogue. Main chute at something, less than 1,200, 1,500 feet. Okay, I am arming. Range is clear. Sky is clear. We have good... if I do pad B instead of A, that would probably help. That is a better sound. Flying in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brett and Baden are going to fly their rocket. It's a Leviathan Estes kit, a modified Estes kit. 3 inches in diameter, 4 feet in length. Expected altitude, under 1,000?
Probably right around
1,000 feet. On a G40. Is that G40? G40.
Yep.
Alright, sky is clear. The range is clear. I am going to arm. B1. Ready to go. Flying in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, that flew really straight. Oh, and there you go.
Early to again.
Good lord. Motor was barely finished burning.